Right, I'm going to show you how you can do this really cool Halloween ghost. We're going to go sculpt and plane, and we're going to draw a plane on the bottom like so. For measurements, we're going to type in length 50, length faces 5, width 50, and width faces 5. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. And we're going to select the middle 9 squares like so. We're going to hold shift and we're going to select them so they all go blue, and those show that they are selected. We're going to right click and we're going to go edit form like so. And we're going to hold the arrow and drag upwards like that. And length is going to be 30 millimeters. I'm going to click on the white to deselect. We're going to select the center square and use the arrow again. We're going to go length 30 millimeters and drag upwards. We're going to select the circle shape in the middle and we're going to widen the top slightly. Like that. And then we're going to drag the center square upwards slightly through around about 10 millimeters. We're just going to type that in. Like so. There you go. So we've got this kind of like rounded pyramid shape. We're going to select the side here, side line, 2 seconds, we'll select, right, and insert edge. And we're going to move the edge down the side like so. That's about the right position, and this is going to help us create the arm of the ghost. We're going to select this square and we're going to right click edit form. Now we're going to move to the side and you'll see 3 squares, 1, 2 and 3. We're going to select the front square and holding option on Mac or Alt on the PC, we're going to stretch it upwards, which is going to form the arm of the ghost. Like so. There you go. Now, on the ball or the circle shape, we want to make this point. We're going to select that and we're going to drag it down so the arm becomes more pointed. Now, what we need to do, every ghost has got 2 arms, as we know. We're going to do the exact same on the other side. Select, insert edge. And move it fiddly. I don't know. Move the edge to the position you want it. Okay. Again, right click, edit form. And you're going to select the front square again, option or alt. You're going to stretch it up to create the second arm. Okay, like so. So there you have 2 arms slightly pointed on the ghost. Now, for the base, we want to create more of, say, a ruffle effect. I'm going to right click on some of these edges, and again, holding Alt on the square, I'm going to pull it in here. So we're going to create sort of a ruffle effect. You can select the lines, you can select the corner points. I'm going to do both just to show you the different effects. Like so. Now it's best not to get too carried away with this, which sometimes I do, because sometimes you can sort of mess the figure up a bit, like so. You want to do that all the way around. Like so. Carry on all the way around. Right, so you want to scroll around, see if you're happy with it. Yeah, it looks pretty good, that. Then you kind of want to do the same again, so, but you want to do it on the body. So if you double click on the line, and again using the same method, if you can select one single line, double click, you'll get the whole line. Press Option Alt again, and you can sort of mold and manipulate the body a little bit. Again, I do tend to get a bit carried away with this, so do sort of be selective what you do. So you can see there, sort of lifted up about it, so I will have to fix that. And again, you can do it on the other side as well. Double click on the line, select one of the squares, fold it in, like so. Rotate, see what you think. Do a little bit more here. And that looks about right. I'm going to OK that. I'm going to finish form. Now I'm going to create the some eyes and a scary mouth. I'm going to go create sketch, and I'm going to select the front plane like so. Just going to bring it back to the middle. Select circle. I'm going to draw a circle eye. Probably do this around about 6 millimeters, like so. I'm going to do the second eye, again using the circle. You can spend a bit more time lining this up. I'm just going to quickly do this, again 6 millimeters. I'm going to finish the sketch, and I'm going to cut the eyes into my ghost shape. So I'm going to press extrude, hold shift, select both circles, and then I'm going to extrude them into it, the ghost. Be careful not to go away through. Now don't worry that it looks a bit strange. We're going to go down to operation, we're going to select cut, it will cut the eyes into the ghost shape, like so. Perfect. Now I could do a circle mouth, but I'm going to go for sort of a wavy, more scary type mouth. I'm going to use the spline tool. I'm going to go create sketch again, select the front plane, select the spline tool, just go zoom in, draw the mouth, brush this, I'm just going to redraw that, I'm not really happy with that. Quickly do this again. Now once I draw the spline mouth, I'm going to do the same extrusion technique as I did the eyes. And again, choosing cut for operation. There you go. I'm going to complete that. Go to sketch, select it. Again, as I said to you, careful not to go all the way through. Operation, cut, OK, and there you have it. Now, using render should look a bit like this. So here I've put on the white paint look, and I put in a background that I actually got off a website, HDR background. So I'll put my own in here, and then I'm just going to select render. Give it a minute or maybe 30 seconds and you should get a nice quality render. And there you have it. Once the render's finished, you'll get this really cool and scary 3D digital ghost. Have a go and see how you get on.